up? This is DJ L and papasok tayo ng maaga today. Today is Monday, Miss Tess Ladies Night. I'm going to work a little bit early today because I really wanted to do some maintenance and check everything since last Thursday it wasn't really good. There are a little problem, not really little because it sounded like an FM or can, which means there are few problems to check. Actually, not just few. You either calibrate the speakers of the whole restaurant, check the firmware if needed to be updated, amplifiers and the bass connection, cables, wires, power outlets if there's shortage and everything, because it might short or else might destroy the whole sound system of the whole restaurant. That's why it's really important for me to have the maintenance. But the thing is that we only have engineering guys and AV guys in Miss Tess and Taj. I really need a sound technician or sound engineer, audio engineer, and those were totally different stories, which is a little bit out of my league at the moment. I'm just lucky that I got this one friend and he told me he's gonna come today 4 p.m. and Miss Tess. And with that, I'm gonna see you in a while. Bye. Well, let me give you a little joyride before we proceed to working. At this time, it's almost 3:30ish, something like that. That's why there's no traffic, no rush hour yet, and this is the time that I really enjoy driving around to see all these building structures and everything. Well, by the way, the location where I'm working is nearby Dubai Mall. It's 10 to 15 minutes away from Dubai Mall. Taj Hotel Business Bay downtown. So if you want to visit me, eat some Asian food, that's the place to go. As you can see, guys, that's Taj Hotel, and that only means we're already here. We'll just do temperature check and then we're going there. Guys, so andito na tayo sa Miss Tess. Kailangan na natin mag-face mask and time in. Actually, maaga pa eh. Magpo-4 o'clock tarang, pero it's better to be early than late. So guys, we're here at work now. So I came a little bit early, so I got time to record everything. Let me give you a little tour of what we do have in Miss Tess. Let's start here in the reception area. So that's MJ, one of the best cashier ever that I've worked with. And then you see that little blue thingy. We have to check your temperature first, record everything, your details for safety reasons. And this is Miss Tess. After that, you can go enter if you're clear. So as we enter the bar, let me introduce some of my colleagues here. Well, everyone have different characteristics and they're all really nice guys. That's Sophia, supervisor. That's Dan, our bar manager, one of the best guys too. And this is Unlucky Cat Bar. We have our ladies night every Monday. We have late night drinks as well. So you should check this out. Well, wala pa tao kasi mag-set up pa lang kami ngayon. So this is the main dining now, but let's not forget that I'm here for something else. Alright, so let me unbox the whole DJ booth for you guys. Well, still early, so why not? While I'm waiting for the engineering as well and the nursery, let me unbox the DJ booth for you. I start spinning 7 p.m. until late night, and that's a whole set. Well, I've been the resident DJ for almost 3 years in this location, and I really liked it, the way how unique the place is and how unique it is being a DJ in a restaurant bar instead of a normal club scenarios that I actually left for some reasons. This is 100% more safe as well, and I'm actually enjoying it, the way how unique everything. Well, now that I unboxed the booth completely already, let's start working. And I think I saw the engineering already. Let's get it on. Well, for me, what we really need today is not just an engineering or not just an AV guy, but we actually need someone who's really good in diagnosing the whole restaurant, what's wrong, what's this and that's, where I know that when it's just someone really normal, they won't even distinguish the noise that I always tell them. And I know sometimes it's kind of annoying, but what I'm telling them is something that for them it's normal, it's fine. And while I'm doing this little tour there, I have someone inside the booth actually. So there you go, that's Kuya Marlon, the guy who would really help me today. He's not an engineering, not an AV guy, but he's expert in also engineering softwares and diagnosing everything. We had a little chat already of what's wrong, and this is one of the things that is very wrong. As he said, there is 3 of these amplifiers, and that one in the bottom is not working or not responding. It's responding sometimes, not every time, and that makes a huge difference in the volume. Well, he's told me I have to monitor that box because it needs an upgrade. Second problem is this: we completely don't have bass in the whole restaurant, where in fact we also need the subwoofers and outdoor speakers. As he said, there are live wires outside, which is we need to cover those or do something else because it affects the amplifier that I've showed you inside. So I've heard it's busy and it's time for a briefing before we start. Every day we do this, and a little sound check for me. And then it's showtime. Those barcodes are menus. So we scan by barcodes. That's Jervy, super energetic. That's JP, one of the most creative guys I've known. And at this time, it's only 7 p.m. It's just really us. And this is me in the middle of operation. It's around 10:30 this time. So we're just having fun, and we also have this kind of scenes. Sometimes, well, in this test, it's really very random. This video was taken months back. I just want to show you guys that how fun it is or how different our restaurant is comparing to other or any clubs out there. So I'm using all the Pioneer and record box, from my headphones to controllers and to my software. And next I'm gonna show you a basic setup. I got you few more things from work. Well, if you find it dope, you can really check it out. I'm gonna put the Instagram of Miss Tess there in the side for you to be able to contact them if you want to do booking and everything. Time check, 12:30. Ngayon lang ako nakaupo, girl. So, from 3:45 checkout to almost 1 a.m. checkout. Kaya guys, till the next vlog. Like and subscribe on my channel. Pagod na talaga eh.